Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the BANG Olufsen speaker Beosound A1 4th generation, and I'm going to tell you where you can easily find its user manual. So here we are now in the BANG Olufsen application, and here in this application we have to tap settings. Here we have the product guide, we have to tap on that, and here we have a lot of cool here, as you can see, things. World of pairing, factory reset, line indicator, and frequently asked questions. We can just tap on each to be redirected to the user guide. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.